Right, so the tent has been fitted, and as I explained, a little bit forward so that I can have some space at the back for my crate with my compressor and a double jerry can holder. Everything works out nice. It actually looks quite nice and balanced, and I'm now busy packing, finalizing the packing for my trip. Here's the fridge, it's running. There is my water tank. I've got a lashing rail there in front. My ammo crates, or my boxes with my food, is going to be in here in the center, and then everything else will be at the back and on top of the water container. Okay, so finally all packed. Just the lead, the 20 lead to have the fridge run through the night, but ready to go. So pretty full because I'm used to a 110. I'll just walk around and show you the back. Fingers in the way. Water, chairs, bunch of stuff, camera, some donations for the old age homes, fridge, so our luggage will go on top of that, and over here. So yeah, all excited. Nice and wet in the cape. And there's our shower bucket and my potjie for one evening. And we're gonna do a nice mince spot. See you guys later. Okay, so I'm back from a trip to the Richtersveld where we had a Defender trophy. That's what we have here in South Africa twice a year. Nice whole bunch of Defenders. We were 17 vehicles this year. Just returned yesterday from the northwestern corner of our country. We had a brilliant trip. There's the red back that we used for the competition. Nice and dirty, and I'll just do a quick walk around. You'll see all the branding of the sponsors, where MBT Petroleum was the main sponsor, together with Cooper Tires. So the branding is there. There's Cooper Tires. These tires I won last year. These are BFG Mataran's KM3s. Defender Trophy, Richtersveld 2023. Yeah, outer warehouse, stone accessories. This is a stone galving. You'll find my video in my channel of how I explained to fit it. And then Melville and Moon, it's applied to seat covers, very cool. An old Landy there. Yeah, so, and my sponsor for the event that funded my entry fee with Bundutop chili oil. Fantastic product, you can see it. I'm selling it on Takealot. You can buy many as you want at a great price. Fantastic product, you can use it to enhance any meal, salad, baked potatoes, meat, you name it, wherever you want to use chili oil. So yeah, here we are. First prize again, 3 times in a row, 3 years in a row. How easy is that?